Some friends pull you into adventures you never imagined. Some lead you into chaos, and some teach you, in their own wild way, the most important lesson about life. Do you know how important bedtime is? No, really. Not just for kids, for adults too. Yes, even you, scrolling through your phone at 2 a.m. thinking, I'll just watch one more video. Let me tell you, missing bedtime is a trap, and I've seen it in action. Courtesy of my two friends who pulled me into situations that were thrilling, terrifying, and absolutely unforgettable. As Maya Angelou said, when you know better, you do better. But the thing is, if you're not sleeping, you don't even know better. This is a story about friendship, choices, and the life-changing, sometimes hilarious, always necessary principle of going to bed on time. I had two friends, the kind who could turn a quiet Tuesday into a what were we thinking adventure. They loved trouble, and they had a special talent for dragging me along, even though my idea of fun usually involved actual sleep. Friendship is tricky. Some friends are mirrors showing you your potential. Others are chaos agents. If you're an insomniac or just chronically overthinking life, the wrong friend can destroy your schedule faster than a double espresso at midnight. And yes, you do need your sleep. In the year 2000, I was a ballet teacher. My friends asked me to cover a dancer at a bar. Just a tiny routine, they said. Tiny routine, you know, like a viral video of me standing on a bar in tiny shorts, a cropped t-shirt and a cowgirl hat while the Coyote Ugly song blasted, everyone singing along. My friends swung from the ceiling bars, flicked their hair and flirted like their lives depended on it. Me, I froze. Ballet had never involved 30 strangers shouting encouragement while I teetered on a bar. The best part, I didn't get home in time to go to bed at my usual hour. Yes, insomnia doesn't care about adventure, just chaos and regret. Later, they became professional belly dancers in London. Picture it. Dimly lit Moroccan-style restaurants, velvet curtains, lanterns, the smell of cinnamon and cardamom, wealthy Arab clients in flowing thobes, gold embroidery sparkling under the lantern light, their wives in jewelled abayas sipping tea. My friends sparkled in shimmering costumes, jiggling coins with every step, receiving designer gifts from admirers. We went sometimes, partly for their safety, partly because if they were out there alone at 10 p.m, sleep would have been optional forever. I went home to bed on time because there's nothing glamorous about insomnia except the hallucinations you get around 3 a.m. I found my path. Sleep was part of it. Balance, boundaries, rest. One friend now has 9 children from multiple fathers, which honestly would make anyone's sleep schedule a nightmare. The other, still high on marijuana, probably dreaming she's in some endless belly dance. Meanwhile, I've been getting enough sleep to actually remember what day it is. Thrill and chaos are temporary. Sleep is non-negotiable. Without it, your brain is basically a nightclub on fire, and you're the bartender trying to serve sense to chaos. Here are some practical action steps. 1. Set a bedtime and actually keep it. Yes, even on Fridays. 2. Observe the chaos from a safe distance. You can watch the wild dance, but you don't have to join in. 3. Honor your boundaries. Excitement is fun. Sleep is survival. 4. Reflect on the consequences of missing sleep. Trust me, swinging from ceiling bars is not worth hallucinating tomorrow. If insomnia whispers, just one more thing. Reply with sarcasm. Oh sure, because I love feeling like a zombie at work tomorrow. Put your phone down, dim the lights and go to bed. You can live in a chaotic, tempting world without losing yourself. You can watch the glitter, the bars, the belly dancing without missing your bedtime. Life will hand you cowgirl bar moments, belly dancing invitations, and glittering chaos. Some will thrill you, some will scare you, and some will make you forget your own name at 2 a.m. But every night you choose sleep is a victory. Every night you go to bed on time is you saying, I matter more than the chaos. Some friends lead to chaos. Some adventures are not meant for you. The lesson, live deliberately, honor your limits, and yes, go to bed on time. Insomnia is real. Don't give it more credit than it deserves. Tonight, go to bed on time, even if your friends, the chaos, or life is calling. Sleep isn't just for kids. It's for adults who want to survive their own stories. You don't need to swing from the ceiling, dance on a bar, or get a belly dancing gig to find joy. You just need to dance your own way, sleep well, and laugh at the chaos from a safe, well-rested distance. You've got this.